How to verify your Binance application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Binance application. So let's get started. First of all, download and open your Binance application. You gotta sign up before doing that. And here, when you open the application and if you have not signed in, if you open the application and you have not verified earlier, they'll say that all new and existing users are required to complete intermediate identity verification to access the full range of Binance products and services. So you're going to click on verify now. But however, if something happens and you accidentally click on later, you can either click on verify identity over here, or you can even click on this logo over here, and then you can click on this unverified, and you'll be able to verify from here as well. So there are a couple of options you can verify from. So first thing you gotta do is that select your residency, and then you gotta select your residency over here, and then you gotta select that which country your document is from. Now your document issuing country region is not eligible for the red packet campaign for me, because it's like a kind of campaign, but that doesn't mean that it stops me for verification. So there are three types of document types that you can use in order to verify. One is national ID, other is passport, and other is driver's license. Now it is recommended to verify using national ID because that verification is really fast and authentic. So you're going to click on national ID and click on continue. And after doing that, you got to either take pictures or you got to upload with photos of your document. And once done, you got to make sure that please use the original ID. Copies or screenshots are not accepted, and ensure all information is visible. Damaged or expired IDs are not accepted. So they'll basically verify that. So after doing that, what you got to do is just click on upload photos and then click on continue. And here you got to upload the front side of ID card and then upload the back side of ID card. So you need to make sure that the writings are clear, because if the writings are not clear, if they're blur, your verification would be rejected. So you can just make sure that you upload the correct one, and after that just click on continue. After doing that, they'll ask you for a liveliness check, such as they'll ask you to kind of move your head up, and you do that on the camera. They're just like that, just basically takes like 5 seconds or hardly 5 seconds, and then you can just click on continue, and then Binance application will start your verification process. And shortly after that, they'll just take like 10 to 15 minutes, maximum an hour, to verify your account. And once done, they'll send you an email saying that your account has been verified. So that was how you can verify your Binance account. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.